Here we go. Let's see how we got, ladies and gentlemen. Eyes forward. Get those cameras ready. Video cameras ready. This is unbelievable. Hang on that prop. There we go. Yeah, hella plane. Now, this airplane is designed with all kinds of control authority. It has an aileron that spans all the way from the wingtip to the fuselage. It has an elevator that you saw earlier with full of micro loops. Now, it has a rudder that will jump the nose at over 180 degrees from right to left. As he repositions from show right, he's going to demonstrate that rudder to us today. He's going to bring the airplane in. He's going to